Has your car ever started acting weird out of nowhere? Jerking between gears, rough idling, warning lights popping up for no clear reason? And when you take it to a mechanic, they quote you hundreds of dollars just to diagnose the problem. Here's the truth. Most of the time, nothing is actually broken. Your car's computer is just confused. Today, I'm going to show you 11 powerful car reset tricks you can do at home, completely free, that can bring your car back to life in minutes. And trust me, the last reset is one most mechanics never tell you about. Let's get started. Reset number 11, Throttle Position Sensor. TPS. Ever press the gas and your car hesitates or feels jerky when accelerating? That's usually the throttle position sensor losing calibration. How to reset it? Turn the key to on, don't start the engine. Slowly press the gas pedal all the way down. Release it slowly. Turn the key off and wait 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle. Result? Smoother acceleration and better throttle response. Quick question, does your car hesitate when you press the gas? Let me know in the comments. If this already helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. More money-saving car tips are coming up. Reset number 10, Math Sensor Reset. If your car idles rough, burns more fuel, or stumbles on takeoff, your mass airflow sensor may be dirty. How to reset? Disconnect the negative battery terminal, remove the math sensor, spray it with MAF cleaner only, let it dry fully, reinstall, and reconnect the battery. Result? Smoother idle, better fuel economy, improved throttle response. Reset number 9, ABS light reset. ABS light suddenly on? Your brakes probably still work. It's often just a system glitch. Fix: turn the car off, remove the ABS fuse, wait 10 to 15 minutes, reinstall, and drive slowly. If it was a false error, the light disappears. Reset number 8, ECU hard reset. Your car feels confused, shifting weird, running rough? That's the ECU holding bad data. Reset method: disconnect both battery cables, touch them together for 30 seconds, reconnect, and start the car and let it idle 10 minutes. This wipes corrupted memory and restores factory behavior. If this is helping you, drop a reset in the comments and make sure you're subscribed. The best resets are still coming. Reset number 7, Transmission Reset. Hard shifts, delayed gear changes? Fix: turn key on, press brake, shift through every gear slowly, leave and drive for 30 seconds. Drive normally afterward. Your transmission will relearn your driving style. Reset number 6, Idle Air Control Reset. Rough idling or stalling at stops? Steps: start the car, turn off all accessories, let idle for 5 minutes, then turn AC on, idle 5 more minutes. Idle becomes smooth and stable again. Reset number 5, Airbag Light Reset. Airbag light staying on? Reset: turn key to on. When airbag light turns off, turn key off. Repeat 3 times. If it was a glitch, the light will clear. Reset number 4, Fuel Trim Reset. Poor fuel economy? Fix: disconnect battery negative terminal, wait 30 minutes, reconnect, and drive normally. This resets fuel calculations and restores mileage. Reset number 3, Power Steering Reset. Steering feels heavy or inconsistent? Steps: key on, turn wheel fully left, then right, start engine, power steering should return to normal. Reset number 2, Battery Management System Reset. New battery but warning lights on? Fix: turn ignition on, hold brake plus accelerator for 10 seconds, release, and restart. This tells the car it has a new battery. Reset number 1, Immobilizer or Key Reset. Car won't start? Security light flashing? Fix: turn key to on, wait 10 minutes, turn off, repeat 3 times. Start the car, your key and car resync. If this video saved you money or stress, like the video, subscribe for more car-saving tips, comment which reset worked for you, and don't miss our next video, 10 illegal tricks to make your car run better.